I want to chart what's happened over the last 3 months and especially show what happened yesterday because I've been following the descent and we got a breakdown yesterday. So we'll have to see if this is a false breakdown, but 2 closes under that line pretty much mean to me that Apple has farther down to go. And if Apple's going down, so is the general market probably. And ahead of your discussion here, I just wanted to share one thing with Apple. This is what Apple stock tends to do each month of the year. You can see September, well, living true to its historical tendencies there. We're seeing a downdraft. October tends to be the best month, but before everybody gets their hopes up, I would say August was supposed to be a positive month as well. That did not pan out. So when seasonality is bucked, that can mean something different is under foot here. So let me just go through some of the pre-market heat maps. I'm going to begin with the sector action. Energy was on top yesterday, but this morning it's materials, healthcare, and utilities. Industrials also showing some green there. Not a lot, though, so I'm not going to put too much stock in that. Want to check out what's been happening with the energy sector, and we can see kind of a mixed board, although the 2 majors in the U.S., Chevron and Exxon, each down 0.5%. Exxon, as we've been talking about, or are going to be talking about, just notched a record high only yesterday. And then finally, here is the banking sector, and we can see mostly green, but not a lot of big outperformers. UBS up about 0.5% in the pre-market, guys.
Jared, really a great breakdown on Apple, and that really brings up really a hot and thorny issue this morning here that is making some news about iPhones potentially getting too hot. And I joked to the Yahoo Finance newsroom this morning, I'm okay with that because I could just flip it over and fry some eggs on the back of it. As long as it gives me that new functionality and the battery lasts longer than this 3-4-year-old phone I have, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it, guys.
It's a 12?
13, I think. 12 or 13.
Okay, doing well.
I didn't do the upgrade cycle. No.
Doing good. All right, you've got the historical returns by month there, Jared. Just briefly, let's run through that.
And I'll tell you what, I just showed this. I want to show you a different way of looking at it.
Yeah.
If you invested $1,000 in 1981 in each of these months only, here's what you would have. You can see January up 217%. June is the first negative month. That's down 72%. But guess what? September, you would have lost 92% of your money. If you invested $1,000, you would have $80 today if you only bought Apple in September.
And of course, Jared, today you're worth about $500 million, right? Because you bought that in 81.
Well, yeah. Well, I mean,
great.
give or take $100 million. So
okay,
yeah.
fair enough.
Right. He's a October player. He is, of course, looking through the Fall Classic there for Apple. Jared, thanks so much.